Hi, I'm Marty Nemko. Blueprint for a writing workshop. Here's the agenda for a one-day writing workshop I'm going to soon lead. You can feel free to use it or adapt it, whether you're doing it by yourself or with a group. Or if you're interested in attending my workshop, it's going to be in my home in Oakland, California. Date not yet set. You can email me at mnemko@gmail.com. That's mnemko@gmail.com. 8:30 to 9 o'clock a.m. Saturday morning probably, maybe a Sunday morning. Informal getting to know each other. I'll make homemade muffins, serve coffee and tea. 9 o'clock, icebreaker. What's something about yourself that might surprise us? I'll ask everybody that, and I'll tell people the unusual way I became a writer. 9:15, I will, on the fly, create a first draft 100-word essay on a whiteboard, thinking aloud as I'm planning and writing. I'll ask the attendees if there's a takeaway or two that they would like to incorporate into their writing process. 9:40, they will write 100 words on whatever they want, using any lessons they learned from the previous activity. 10 o'clock, a little mini lecture on the art of giving helpful feedback tactfully. 10:05, they pair up and read their 100-worder aloud to each other and give gentle feedback. They report out any lessons learned, and a scribe writes those lessons on a whiteboard. 10:30, break. 10:45, mini lectures and Q&A on these following little topics. Why are you writing? The art of topic selection. How much do you care to please your audience versus yourself? Deciding what you're hoping to gain from writing. Giving yourself permission to write a crappy first draft. And the art of revising your way to excellence or to good enough. 11:15. They'll write a paragraph or two in light of those mini lectures. They'll read it aloud to each other in pairs and give feedback. 11:40. They'll report out their lessons learned, and they'll jot key ones down. And as always, as before, a scribe will write it on the whiteboard. 12 o'clock lunch. 1 o'clock. They'll write a 200 to 400 word piece on a topic of their choice, fiction or nonfiction. 2 o'clock, they pair up and read their piece to each other and give gentle feedback. 2:30, they'll report out lessons learned and a scribe will write it on the whiteboard. Q&A. 3 o'clock, we'll summarize and reiterate lessons learned. They'll write down things that they know now they really want to, they want to incorporate into their writing and maybe into their lives. 3:20, I tell my father's story. It's instructive. And at 3:30, we celebrate with champagne. Anyway, that's a Blueprint for a Writing Workshop. Again, if you're interested in attending mine in Oakland, California, date not yet set, probably on a Saturday or a Sunday, either in October this month or next month. You can email me at mnemko@gmail.com, mnemko@gmail.com. And as usual, I welcome your thumbs up and accept your thumbs down. I always look forward to your comments and especially like it if you hit the share button below. Share on your social media so that my efforts can have broader impact. And I am flattered if you choose to subscribe to my channel. And certainly would welcome you taking a look at any of my 36 books. Most recent is Favorites, my best essays, stories, and articles. In any event, thanks for watching. I'm Marty Nemko.